In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how you're going to download your mail attachment on the iPhone. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe and we can get into it. So I'm going to open up the mail app right away and get inside this message thread. And you can see that this contains an attachment. So I can already see that it is a PDF file, and in order to open it, I can tap on it like this. I can read through it, but for us to save it and download it to the local storage of the iPhone, we have a few things. You should at first pay attention to the download button, which is next to the attachment, or should be in most cases. So if I zoom it in like this, you can see this is the file icon, the file name, and in there we have the download icon. So I can click on it like this. Actually, I didn't click it, as you can notice, right? So let me just try it again. If I click on it, the download right there, and it asks me what I want to do with it. I can save it to the downloads folder. That's one option. Or you can click on a save attachment and decide where exactly it's going to be put, right? So it just pulls up the Files app, and I can go through my folders and organize it however I like. And let's say that I'm going to put it into the folder, which is called images right here. So I'm going to click on it like that and save it right here. Now I can leave the mail app, go to the files app where all of my files are stored like this. And if I browse all of the folders, you can see images is right there at the top. And the first thing is the file I just downloaded, the attachment I downloaded from my mail. So if I zoom it in like this, you can see as well the preview, the file name, and also it's telling me from Alexander, which means that it's from the person sending me the email, right? So it's kind of nice because it's letting me know that it is from that person. It's for a better organization. And at the end of this, we also have the email icon, or the envelope icon, which, as you can see, is not available for any other thing in here, only for the stuff which I downloaded from mail. And that's a very nice way to kind of indicate that this is the attachment. So that is the first option. But outside of that, if I return back to the mail app right here, and instead of downloading this through the download button, let's say it's not available, I'm going to tap on it like this to make it show up fully. And what I can also do is to tap on the share tool right there and click on a few things. Like I have the save to files, which is going to do exactly the same thing as I've shown you before, but you can also pick from all of the other apps as well. So if you want to save it or send it over to WhatsApp, or I don't know, save to your Notion notes, right? Or I can click on more, and let's say that I want to save it as somewhere else, like to the Books app, right? Or I don't know, some cloud storage, whatever else it might be. If you have some other app available, then you can try to use it this way and save it into some completely different place. But that would be all from me. I really hope that I was able to explain it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future tutorials.